All right, welcome back. Day 12 of the 27-day mobility challenge here at the Reprogram. We're continuing on with these prerequisites, these ideal range of motions we like to see in the joint, passive joint range of motions we like to see before embarking on any kind of physical training or intense training regimen, whether it's resistance training or whatnot. We want to make sure that your body is in the right state to maximize the potential of the program you're doing and improve your health and well-being. Okay, so yesterday we started with wrist flexion and we looked at the ideal range of motion, that 90-degree angle of the wrist, where we look at things like preventing things like carpal tunnel, wrist flexor extensor tendonitis, golfer's tennis elbow, and now we're going to look at the wrist extension, which is where we see issues or a lack of wrist extension could indicate or may indicate problems heading towards golfer's elbow, these medial epicondylitis. Again, carpal tunnel, yes, again, because when we're in that extended position and we're not using that full range of motion, again, desk workers, typers, we start to see these symptoms creep up. So we're going to go into the wrist extension and I'll show you how that's done now. All right, this is the wrist extension test. Now, this is a modified test of the prayer test. The clinical version is the prayer test we use in physical therapy, and it looks like this. We get our patients or clients to make this kind of prayer position, and we usually want to see whether they can keep their arms parallel to the floor and get that 90-degree angle of hip extension here, okay? Ideally, a little bit more, okay, either side. So we're going to do one better at that at the Reprogram and actually encompass the whole elbow as well. So we're actually going to target more of the actual attachments, the origins in the arm. And it looks like this. So you're going to, much like the wrist flexion test we did yesterday, you're going to be in this kind of hands and knees position. You are going to get this hand and you're going to externally rotate it round so that the fingers face behind you, okay, on both hands, like so, and you want elbows to be locked straight. From here, you are just going to sit back, keeping the palm must stay on the floor, keeping this palm on the floor, sitting back so that the shoulder goes over the fingertips, okay? That would be a pass. If it was a fail, some of you will struggle to get even just keep the palm down on the floor. Some of you will struggle to get that external rotation angle, in which case you're looking at a problem in the shoulder. And remember, the reason we're doing this is because we're trying to ensure that you have the compensation space necessary for safe and effective training. When you embark on a physical training program or a fitness regime and you guys want to get healthy again and improve your well-being, look good, and all the benefits that come with that, we don't want you running into an injury further up the line, okay? And unfortunately, the reality is most establishments you go to where you will start training, they will not test this stuff. Okay, they just want your membership money. So that's one of the reasons why I started the Reprogram, so that you can take ownership of your body and make sure and screen yourself and make sure that you are performing and your joints are performing passively and they have that essential range of motion necessary to be safe. Okay, so thanks for listening. If you like what I do and you want to find out more, check me out at www.thereprogramonline.com. See you tomorrow. Check this out.
Hi there, I'm Andrew Graham, founder of the Reprogram Online, and if you're here, it's likely because you are feeling the frustration of a body that just isn't performing the way it used to. Maybe it's a nagging joint pain, the frequent injuries, or the simple truth that despite all your efforts, you're not seeing the results you desire. As a busy professional, I understand how valuable your time is. You want a body that not only performs well, but one that you can enjoy and that you know is capable of handling whatever life throws your way. Yet, finding the right path in today's fitness industry is like navigating an untamed jungle of misinformation, quick fixes, and empty promises, often leaving you frustrated or worse. That's why I created the Reprogram, a comprehensive training system designed to not only build a strong athletic physique, but to do it in a way that prioritizes injury prevention, joint health, and longevity. By merging concepts from physical therapy and strength and conditioning, the Reprogram targets and alleviates the very issues that are keeping you from moving forward. Starting with our free mobility assessment, we will identify these issues, as well as your potential risk of injury, and design your training program based on your results. You see, many people think they need more, but often what they really need is better. It's not about lifting the heaviest weight or doing endless reps. It's about focusing on what truly matters so that you can build a body that's not only aesthetic, but resilient. A body that works with you, not against you. The Reprogram is built for men who understand that their body is their most valuable asset and who refuse to let joint pain and past injury dictate their future. Using the 3-stage training system, you'll regain your mobility, correct muscle imbalances, and improve your posture, all with minimal equipment. I mean, imagine a life where you're not just managing pain, but actually eliminating it and getting stronger every day. Believe me, I understand the frustration of trying to stay active when your body seems to resist every step. But with the right approach, that frustration can quickly turn into fuel for change. The Reprogram is designed to respect your time and deliver results in a way that actually teaches you about your body. So, are you ready to break the cycle and unlock your potential? Then I invite you to start your journey today. Remember, this is about you, investing in your future, your health, your quality of life. Click the Get Started button to begin your free mobility assessment. I'm Andrew Graham, and I'm here to help you banish pain, optimize mobility, and unleash strength one step at a time. Let's get started.